Well, there was commotion at the YSRC Warangal office as a party activist Sushila hit the district president Bhaskar Reddy with her slippers. There was absolute chaos right outside the office as these ugly scenes were witnessed. The woman in question is a party activist Sushila, who thrashed the district president of YSRCP of Warangal black and blue with her slippers. My colleague Arun joins us with more details on this. Well, Arun, tell us what exactly happened.
Nishita, there is high drama at the Warangal office. Remember, this is the district office of the YSR Congress, and they had congregated this morning to celebrate Independence Day. But it was anything but Independence Day because the district president, the YSR Congress district president Bhaskar Reddy, was at the receiving end of one of the party activists' slipper hits. In fact, the anger was over the way in which the party had organized the Independence Day celebrations, and the very fact that apparently it was done in a very hurried manner and the office was closed did not go down too well with the party activists, who began to question why this was happening, and unable to stomach the fact that the president was not willing to give proper response. She decided to vent her anger, and that's the reason why you see her removing her sandals and giving sound thrashing to the person Bhaskar Reddy in question. So clearly a bit of anxious moments as far as the YSR Congress party was concerned. It was a bit of an embarrassment in the sense that differences between the party activists came virtually out onto the roads, Nishchita.
Absolutely, and very, very embarrassing scenes for the party as well. So, any action being initiated against the associated members?
We haven't heard about that, but it is likely that probably by now the senior leaders in the party would be apprised of what has been happening and what needs to be done. So you could expect some kind of action in terms of the disciplinary proceedings being initiated against that member in question. But what clearly doesn't seem to have gone down too well is the fact that the Independence Day celebrations itself was per se a very low-key affair, nothing specific or nothing big happening. So that could have also angered the activists, Nishchita.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details there, Arun. Well, there we have it, absolute commotion that was witnessed outside the Warangal office, party office of YSRCP. In fact, the woman in question is Sushila, and she hit the district president Bhaskar Reddy with her slippers over a disagreement. Moving on now, even as celebrations rang out across the nation, the KPSC candidates continued their protests, but they sang national songs as they protested wearing a white cloth over their face. KPSC aspirants who are now facing the scrapping of their recruitment by the state government today held a protest as they held up the national flag, tied up their faces with a white cloth and demanded that the government give them justice. This comes in the backdrop of the state cabinet taking the decision of scrapping 2011 KPSC recruitment due to the irregularities that had surfaced in the same.
2000 ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
And while parents staged an angry protest outside Bethel Public School in KR Puram today, they were up in arms and questioned the authorities for not celebrating Independence Day. The police had to intervene to quell the protests. Well, these were the scenes at the Bethel Public School in KR Puram. We understand that the school had not celebrated Independence Day, and opposing this, parents came in large numbers and demanded action from the government.